what's up? Welcome to the show, man. So this is Quick Tip Tuesday. I don't really have an intro. I don't know why do I keep procrastinating when it comes to making intros, but maybe this year will be the year. Oh, Happy New Year by the way. So welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday, where I give you tips quickly on Tuesday. That's basically it. It can be tips on camera or like live or like whatever that I wanted to do on Tuesday. So let's jump right into it. So what I mean when I say stop taking Instagram story videos, let me explain. So Instagram story videos usually end up like this, where you hold your camera like this way, just panning around, have a gander of your friends, of the scenery, of the place that you are. I'm not saying that this is the only kind of Instagram story video, but usually Instagram story videos are like that. It's hard to say Instagram story videos, man. Try saying it. So Instagram story videos are usually for Instagram. It's not for Facebook, but Facebook has stories. It's not for YouTube, but YouTube has stories now. What am I saying? So I tend to see a lot of people taking Instagram story videos when it comes to like making YouTube videos, like travel videos or like any other type of videos, but usually travel videos. But for me, I don't really like it unless you really have a very stabilized camera. Then I don't have a say for that. But if you don't really have stabilization for your camera, it's gonna look terrible. Trust me. I must admit I did it myself. Here's a preview of how it looks like. So this is an example of an Instagram story video. So I stopped shooting like that at the moment I realized that it sucks, and then I have to up my game when it comes to taking videos and stuff. So instead of taking Instagram story videos, try different types of like camera movement. There are like a whole bunch of camera movements. It can be handheld, or it can be like attached to a gimbal if you have the budget for it, or it can just simply be stills, like just putting a tripod or like just putting it somewhere where it won't be touched at all, where some stuff is moving and whatsoever, or maybe do a time lapse. Okay, time lapse is a very useful technique when it comes to like filmmaking, when it comes to making travel films. Time lapse in a way is very essential when it comes to like creating a story or like creating a video. So there's a bunch of camera movements, a bunch of camera techniques that's yet to be learned, and I'm still learning all of them and maybe creating some of my own. And that's what makes this filmmaking process an adventure and something that I'm passionate about, because I'm constantly creating something new and trying out something different. So that feeling of constantly creating something new or constantly trying out something, that really drives me when it comes to making all of my videos, making like paid videos or like my own passionate projects. So yeah, I try to learn more camera movements, try to learn new camera techniques. I'll probably do a video about it in the future, but for now, I'm just gonna give you a quick tip. Stop taking Instagram story videos for your YouTube videos, for your travel videos, and start making something better. I'm not saying my videos are better. I'm not saying that this is a technique that you shouldn't be using. It can be used, but in different situations, or like if you can somehow make it work, then you'll be okay. But most of the time, it doesn't look good. It looks terrible. But in the end, it still all depends on you, whether if you like that movement and you want to improve it, or you should probably change like camera movements, try to learn new camera movements and then apply that to your travel videos, and I can assure you, you will make better travel videos and improve your video making skills. So that's it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and give it a share, and then drop a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.